Morning students. Today we are going to learn new topic, that is inverse trigonometric functions. Before going to inverse trigonometric functions, we will see what is the inverse function. Okay, a function f from a to b is a bijective, then the function have inverse function. Okay, if the function is, if f from a to b is a bijective function, bijective means 1 and on 2, then the function f has a inverse function and it is denoted by f inverse from b to a. If f is from a to b, then f inverse from b to a. Okay, if it is a bijective function, then only its inverse exists and it is denoted by f inverse from b to a. Means its a domain becomes a range, range becomes a domain. That is, if y equal to f of x, then x equal to f inverse y. X equal to f goes to this side, we will get f inverse of y. Inverse function, that is x equal to f inverse y. Y equal to f of x is a function, then its inverse x equal to f inverse y. Inverse becomes x equal to f inverse y. Y equal to f of x is a function, f of x, then its inverse x equal to f inverse y, reverse x equal to f inverse y. Similarly, in the trigonometry also, to get inverse function, you have bijective function. What are the trigonometric functions? Sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot. Generally, they are not a bijective function, but we have to restrict their domains to make a bijective function. Suppose, for example, sine is from function from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 closed interval to minus 1 to 1 is a bijective function. Then its inverse, sine is the function, it is a bijective function. I am restricted this domain to real number to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and its inverse is denoted by sine inverse. From it will change its domain and range minus 1 to 1 to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. It's an inverse function of sine. It is called inverse sine function. It is called inverse sine function, denoted by sine inverse x or arc sine x. Arc sine x anna, sine inverse x anna, it is same, inverse of a sine function. Inverse of a sine function. Okay. It is a bijective function. Sine from minus pi by 2 closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 to minus 1 to 1 is a bijective function. Therefore, its inverse is sine inverse from minus 1 closed interval minus 1 to 1 to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. This is the inverse of a sine function and it is denoted by sine inverse x or arc sine x. And if y equal to sin x is a function, then what is the x value? X equal to sin inverse y. Okay, similarly, if y equal to f of x, what is the x value? Sin inverse f inverse y. Like that, y equal to sin x, y equal to sin x, then x equal to, we get sin inverse of y. Sin inverse of y. This only we will use in the problems. So remember, so sin in, if and only if it is, if and only if also it will come. Y equal to sin x implies x equal to sin inverse y. X equal to sin inverse y means sin x equal to y. Okay, that is the inverse sine function. Similarly, we have cos function, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x, sec inverse x, cosec inverse x, also same. I will see domain and range. Okay, it is denoted by sin inverse x, cos inverse x. Next, serial number, the function and domain range. For sin inverse x, minus 1 to 1 closed interval minus 1 comma 1 is the domain and minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 is the range. And cos inverse x, minus 1 to 1 is the domain and 0 to pi is the range. Tan inverse x, R is the real number, set of all real numbers is the domain and open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 is the range. And cot inverse x is the domain is R and range is 0 to pi, open interval 0 to pi. And sec inverse x, R minus open interval minus 1 comma 1 and range becomes 0 to pi closed interval minus pi by 2. And cosec inverse x, R minus 1 to 1 and range becomes minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 closed interval minus 0. These are the domains and ranges of trigonometric functions. Means it is sin inverse x is a function from this to this, and cos inverse x is this to this, tan inverse x is this to this. These are the functions, and these ranges are principal branches we have to get. Okay. Next, principal value of a function. The value of a inverse trigonometric function which lies in the given range is called the principal value. Means, for example, if you take sin inverse value, sin inverse x value, if which lies in the between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, that value is called principal value of that function. Or tan inverse x means you have to lies in this value. Cot inverse x means 0 to pi. ఈ మధ్యలో వాల్యూ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయితే వచ్చిన వాల్యూ, దట్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ద ప్రిన్సిపల్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్, దట్ ఇన్వర్స్ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ ఫంక్షన్స్. Okay, this is the definition of inverse trigonometric function. So we have to remember what only simple. Suppose y equal to sin x is the function, then x equal to what we will get, sin inverse y. If sin x function comes to this side, it becomes a inverse. It is if and only if. Based on this only we have problems. Okay, next we will see the properties. Properties are very important. First one, first property, sin inverse x equal to cosec inverse 1 by x. Next, cos inverse x equal to sec inverse 1 by x. Tan inverse x equal to cot inverse 1 by x. This is the first property. Sin inverse x equal to cosec inverse 1 by x, cos inverse x equal to sec inverse 1 by x, tan inverse x equal to cot inverse 1 by x. Okay, similarly, cosec inverse x equal to sin inverse 1 by x, sec inverse x equal to cos inverse 1 by x, cot inverse x equal to tan inverse 1 by x. I written 3 only. Okay, next. Second property, sin of sin inverse x or sin inverse of sin x equal to x, means this inverse and sin function will be cancelled, we get x only. Cos of cos inverse x equal to cos inverse of cos x equal to also x. Similarly, remaining all trigonometric functions, tan of tan inverse x or tan inverse of tan x equal to x, cot of cot inverse x or cot inverse of cot x equal to x, same all trigonometric functions it is true. Okay, next, this is second property. Next, third property, sin inverse of minus x equal to minus sin inverse x, cos inverse of minus x equal to pi minus cos inverse x, tan inverse of minus x equal to minus tan inverse x, cot inverse of minus x equal to pi minus cot inverse x, sec inverse of minus x equal to minus sec inverse x, cosec inverse of minus x equal to minus cosec inverse x. Only cos and cot we have pi minus, you have to remember that one. For cos and cot inverse we have pi minus, cos inverse of minus x equal to pi minus cos inverse x, cot inverse minus x equal to pi minus cot inverse x, remaining are minus will come as the next. Fourth property, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2, sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x equal to pi by 2. These are the properties, and this is important. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, this x is, if it is same, then sin inverse x plus cos inverse x pi by 2. Similarly, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x equal to pi by 2. Next property, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. It is very important property. We will use problems, we will use this formula as a formula. Okay. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy, where x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0, xy is less than 1. Okay, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. The condition is x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0, xy is less than 1. Next, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to pi plus tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. X is greater than 0, y is greater than 0, xy is greater than 1. Here xy is less than 1, here xy is greater than 1, then pi, extra pi will come. Next, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to minus pi plus tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. X is less than 0, y is less than 0, xy is greater than 1. Okay, this is the tan inverse x plus y formulas and different conditions. Next property, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Next, 2 into sin inverse x equal to sin inverse of 2x into square root of 1 minus x square. 2 into cos inverse x equal to cos inverse of 2x square minus 1. 2 into tan inverse x equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. These are the properties. Next, 2 into sin inverse x, 2 into cos inverse x, 2 into tan inverse x. Next, 3 into sin inverse x equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. 3 into cos inverse x equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. 3 into tan inverse x equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. Okay, these are 3 sin inverse x formula, 3 cos inverse x formula, 3 into tan inverse x formula. Next, sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to sin inverse of x into square root of 1 minus y square plus y into square root of 1 minus x square. And sin inverse x minus sin inverse y equal to sin inverse of x into square root of 1 minus y square minus y into square root of 1 minus x square. Here plus and here minus, because plus minus will change. Same, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to cos inverse of x minus x into y minus square root of 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square. That is cos inverse x plus cos inverse y formula. Cos inverse x minus cos inverse y equal to cos inverse of x y plus square root of 1 minus x square into square root of 1 minus x square into square root of 1 minus y square. These are the formulas. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y, here plus sin inverse x minus sin inverse y minus cos inverse x minus cos inverse y, here minus, and cos inverse x minus cos inverse y, it is plus. You will get a plus. Okay. Next, these are the properties, 4 properties. Next, these properties, you have to remember the properties, and proofs are not in our question paper, it won't come. Only you have to remember as a formulas. Okay. Even though I will explain 1 or 2 proofs, because problems we will do the problems also in the same. Okay. Next. Next proof, sin inverse x equal to first proof. I will explain the first proof. Sin inverse x equal to cosec inverse of 1 by x. Okay. So cosec inverse of 1 by x. Okay. Next, that is substitution. I am proving this proof. Okay. Let sin inverse x equal to theta. Sin inverse x equal to, I am taking theta. Then if we have y equal to sin x, then x equal to what? Sin inverse y. It is if and only if. Okay, y equal to sin x implies x equal to sin inverse y, or x equal to sin inverse y implies y equal to sin x. So if this inverse comes to this one, sin x equal to y. Similarly here also, okay, sin inverse x equal to theta, then if sin inverse goes to this side, x equal to sin theta. That is sin theta equal to x. Sin theta equal to x means cosec theta. What is the cosec theta? Cosec theta means 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta means 1 by x. Okay, cosec theta equal to 1 by x. Cosec theta equal to 1 by x means what is the theta? Theta means if cosec comes to this side, theta equal to cosec inverse 1 by x. Okay, what is the theta? We took theta equal to sin inverse x, that is sin inverse x equal to cosec inverse x. This is the proof of first result. Okay, I will prove next second one. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. So I am taking sin inverse x equal to theta, then x equal to what? Sin theta. Similar, it is also similarly. Suppose y equal to sin x, y equal to sin x, we get implies x equal to sin inverse y. It is defined only if reverse also x equal to sin inverse y, we get y equal to sin x. Y equal to sin x implies x equal to sin inverse y. Reverse it is sin inverse x equal to theta, therefore x equal to sin theta. X equal to sin theta, that is x equal to sin theta. Sin theta can be written as cos of pi by 2 minus theta. Pi by 2 means 180 by 2. 180 by 2 means 90. Cos of 90 minus theta means sin theta. Means sin theta can be written as sin theta ne vidhanga rayachu cos of 90 minus theta. And this x equal to cos of 90 minus theta, pi by 2 minus theta, this cos comes to this side, that is cos inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus theta. And this theta comes to LHS, minus becomes plus, theta plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. What is the theta? Theta means sin inverse x, that is sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Okay. Simply, proofs are very simple. By definition only, I am taking sin inverse x equal to theta, and then it becomes x equal to sin theta and substituting. Okay, next. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. I am taking here tan inverse x equal to a. Then what is the x? X equal to tan a, and tan inverse y equal to b, that is y equal to tan b. It is by definition of inverse function. Tan inverse x equal to a, then x equal to tan a, tan inverse y equal to b, y equal to tan b. I am taking this first, tan inverse x is a, tan inverse y is b. If you this tan inverse comes to this side, tan of a plus b. So you have to first find the tan of a plus b value. So I will calculate first tan of a plus b. We know the tan of a plus b formula, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan a means it is x, tan b means y. So x plus y by 1 minus xy. Next here, tan of a plus b equal to tan a means x, tan b means y by 1 minus x into y, 1 minus xy. This tan will comes to RHS, then it becomes tan inverse. So a plus b equal to tan inverse of a plus b equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus x. What is the a? Tan inverse x. What is the b? Tan inverse y. That is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay. These are the properties and some proofs. If you able to remember the properties, you remember that as a formulas. Otherwise, while solving the problems, you will solve this by proofs. ఈ ప్రూఫ్స్ ఎలా చేసామో అదే మెథడ్లో ప్రూఫ్ సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు, లేదా ఫార్ములా మీకు ఈజీగా రిమెంబర్గా ఉంటే రిమెంబర్ చేయండి. బై డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములాలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసిన ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది, లేదా ఈ మెథడ్లో సాల్వ్ చేసిన ప్రాబ్లం కంప్లీట్ చేయొచ్చు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఓకే, ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ వీ విల్ సాల్వ్ డూ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. సో today's class we end here. You have to remember, write down these and fair notes and remember all the formulas. Be ready for the next class. In the next class we will do the problems. Okay, thank you.